আমি অন্বেষা, আপনারা দেখছেন নিউজ টুডে।
Namaskar and very good afternoon to all. Invoking the prayers of Sri Sri Ma, Sri Sri Thakur and Swamiji, I take this immense opportunity to welcome and offer my respectful pranam to revered Probrajika Otundoprana Mataji, General Secretary Sri Sharoda Moth and Ramakrishna Sharoda Mission. I also welcome all monastic members and brahmacharinis present today. I welcome today's honored guests, dignitaries of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, and each and everyone present here. Now, reminiscing our rich tradition, we shall start today's program by lighting the inaugural lamp, followed by Vedic chanting. May I request revered Mataji to kindly bless this ceremony by lighting the ceremonial lamp.
Saratu Durgani Sarvo Bhadrani Pashyatu Sarvo Sarvudhi Mapnatu Sarvo Sarvatra Nandatu Om Sarve Bhavantu Shukinaha सर्वे शान्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ दुर्जनो सज्जतिं सर्वाणि भूतानपि नारायणः सम्पूर्णमानन्दमुपश्रयन्ताम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत्।
Respectful pranam to Mataji for such auspicious Respectful pranam to Mataji for such auspicious beginning of today's program. Now, we take this wonderful opportunity to pay respect and offer a small token of appreciation to our respected, revered Probrajika Otundoprana Mataji, General Secretary, Sri Sharoda Moth and Ramakrishna Sharoda Mission. Mataji, we kindly request you to accept a very small token of appreciation. May we have a big round of applause. Now we are taking this immense opportunity to felicitate revered Mataji. Mataji has always been a guiding star for us in every endeavor of ours. We welcome Mataji with a small token of appreciation. To our honored guest of today's ceremony, may I request Mr. Shamshul Bihari bin Saleh, Director of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, to kindly accept a small token of appreciation. Mr. Shamshul Bihari bin Saleh, Director of Indian Oil. Sir, may we request to please come up on the stage. Please give a round of applause as we felicitate Mr. Shamshul Bihari bin Saleh, Director of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited. As a part of our tradition, we are offering a small uttorio in deep appreciation for them from us. Thank you. Now, may I request Mr. Sanjay Kaushal, Director of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited. Thank you so much, sir, for attending this function for us. Please accept a small token of appreciation from us. We are welcoming our guest with chandan, with uttorio and flowers as a part of our tradition. May we have a round of applause. Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Kaushal. Now, we take this immense opportunity to welcome Mr. K. Shailendra, Director of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited. Sir, please come up on the dais. We would like to offer you a small token of appreciation. May we have a round of applause, please. Thank you so much, sir. I request Mr. Zabidi bin Ahmed, Director of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, to please come up on the stage as we felicitate sir, who despite of their very busy schedule have made it a point to be among us. A big round of applause for Mr. Ahmed. Thank you, sir. We take this immense opportunity to welcome Mr. Azharul Fazril bin Ansari, Director of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited. We request sir to please come up on the dais. We welcome, as a part of Indian tradition, we welcome sir with a uttorio and a small bouquet of flower. Thank you so much, sir, for being among us. Now, I request Mr. Ahmed Salim Bashir, Financial Controller of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, to please come up on the dais as we felicitate sir. May we have a big round of applause for our honored guest who, despite of their very busy schedule, have made it among us. Thank you, sir. I request Mr. Navneet Mehta, GM Marketing of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, to please come up on the dais. A big round of applause for Mr. Mehta as we offer our sincere gratitude to sir and would like to welcome him in today's ceremony with a small token of appreciation from Matri Bhavan. Thank you, sir. I request Mr. Orunabho Bishas, General Manager, MO, of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, Thank you so much, sir, for being among us. We would like to welcome Ms. Kiranjit Kaur, DGM, Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, to please come up on the dais as we would like to felicitate Madam. A big round of applause for Madam. May we have a big round of applause for Madam Kaur? Welcome and thank you so much. Now, last but not the least, our very own Ms. Debjani Bose, HR and CSR Head of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, our go-to person, almost a part of Matri Bhavan family. We would like to offer a small token of appreciation to Ms. Bose. Like the entire family of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, we would request to have been with us in each and every episodes of Matri Bhavan, as this means a lot to us. Thank you so much. Now, we have come to the most awaited moment of today's ceremony, that is, inauguration of the newly built hospital building of Ramakrishna Sharoda Mission Matri Bhavan. I request our honored guests and dignitaries of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited, as well as the revered monastic members of Sri Sharoda Math and Ramakrishna Sharoda Mission, to please inaugurate the plaque of new hospital building. We request our dignitaries to please come towards the entrance of the new hospital building. Part of today's ceremony, we request all our guests and dignitaries to please come forward as we can witness the most awaited part of today's ceremony, that is inauguration of the plaque of the new hospital building. I request our dignitaries to please come forward. We request our dignitaries to please come forward. We are witnessing the most awaited part of today's program. A big round of applause as we are witnessing, by the grace of Sri Sri Ma, Sri Sri Thakur and Swamiji, the continuing efforts of Ramakrishna Sharoda Mission Matri Bhavan towards the upliftment of mother and children, especially in the healthcare sectors of the lower socio-economical strata of the society, has taken a great lead with this new infrastructural development. As we can see, revered monastic members of Sri Sharoda Math and Ramakrishna Sharoda Mission joins the directors of Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited and other dignitaries from Managing Committee of Matri Bhavan and Indian Oil Petronas Private Limited for a memory that we would love to cherish again and again. We request our dignitaries to please come forward for the visit of the newly inaugurated building.
Please sir. Please sir. This is our registration and booking counter. This is the inquiry and the report delivery counter. Please. Then the immunization center.
For children.
For children, all are waiting here. Practically the clinic is here, where the immunization is carrying on.
Okay. Is that done free or you charge for it?
This is government. We are being happy. This is the creating outdoor OPD chamber from the creating OPD chamber here. And 3, 4 OPD chambers. Outdoor patients. This is the ground floor. All are OPD creating. Then the lift provision from our side. Then all the lifts are done over.
It is actually 2 floors.
That is Saviji. Today also in the Saviji day.
Oh, right.
That was the back layout. ICU hospitals, medicine, surgery, all the OPD chamber are here. This is patient waiting room. System is medicine OPD also. Yeah. Surgery. General surgery OPD. That is not the OD. The surgery OPD.
Not the OD.
Yeah, we are going to OT. Not in this surgery. That is the modular OD is here. Hello, doctor. Okay. Surgery OPD. General medicine. Who has care?
Oh, picture.
Not companies. Not This is the laboratory block. We have the biochemistry here. The sophisticated equipments are placing them here. There is a patient waiting room. Is it microbiology? This is microbiology. This is clinical pathology. Here is the blood collection center. Blood collection center is here.
Only outdoor, we
Only
also
outdoor.
have indoor patients.
Indoor patients.
Their investigations are also
The evening or
Morning to
morning to evening. As the outdoor timings, we have
laboratory function is
24 hours.
24/7.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Because hospital indoor patients, they have emergency laboratory tests that has to be done. So it is open 24/7. As you can see, we have monastic members who are expert in this field. I mean, in the laboratory technician, Mataji here. She is expert not only as the monastic members, that is the motto of the mission. Moreover, that she is expert in the laboratory. She is a designated person in laboratory technician. And along with her, under her supervision, we have other senior technicians. So that is how we
she's
run.
qualified.
Yes,
Qualified, right?
she's qualified. That is,
The qualified person.
If Mataji is from Amsterdam, she is also
yes,
double.
yes.
The technician.
DM.
Paramedical courses there.
Yes. Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technicians.
The late Mataji of the center, she is also a doctor. She is from Australia.
Both our Secretary Mataji and Assistant Secretary Mataji, both of them, they are physician. Our Secretary Mataji is specialist in obstetric and gynecology, and our Assistant Secretary Mataji, she is in FRCS. She is from Royal College of London, and she is specialized in pediatrician. So both of them, this being a mother and child hospital, we are blessed to have their expertise in the field, not only in administration, but also in the field of medicine.
This is our up-to-date construction and up-to-date functioning that we are still waiting for the construction of the next 2 floor. The full project hospital, we have some plans or designs are there for constructing and operating the from second and third and fourth floor.
Don't have any problem.
We must introduce to you Dr. Kaushik Gupta. He is a resident surgeon. He lives here with his family. He is completely dedicated to us 24/7 service for matrimony. He is a pillar. Without him,
Every time with low resource. Every time actually you will be
Let us move straight. Have your seat, sir.
Now you can see the hospital services rendered. First we started in 1950 with basically mothers, little children, little proportion on children. Then we started increasing from 75 more on mother, children. Then finally from 2000 we are now very well established for mothers and children. And you can see on the right hand side, most of our people are from the poor socio-economic section. You can see 36,000 is below 10,000 average monthly income, and then 10 to 15,000 is the red portion. So you can see we are dealing with the really poor socio-economic sections of society, and it is a vulnerable section, women and children. Here you can see the portion of free patients and concessional patients is 34% plus 45%, and only 21% are paying patients at subsidized rate. Regarding free and concessional hospital treatment, you can see that we have continuously gone in increasing. Now we are 47,856 beneficiaries for free and concessional. What about our educational services? We are happy to say we are recognized by the Health Department plus the West Bengal and Indian Nursing Council plus the State Medical Faculty for all these courses. So we started with A&M, then we went to General Nursing Midwifery, then we went to BSc in Nursing, and then we have got paramedical courses started last year. Community welfare services. Community welfare services, I'll go quickly through this. We do various community welfare camps and also free community services. You can see we have touched 3 lakhs. Major financial support has come from the Government of India, and Indian Oil has helped us before also with a modern laparoscopy machine and digital X-ray, and they're helping us with this modern facility, and also we have got help from Infosys, SBI and Cognizant. Now regarding the way forward, we will continue with our quality medical care, coverage of free treatment for mothers and children, and our community services. We have already done G+2 with the help of Indian Oil and Petronas. This is the past pictures of the foundation stone laying ceremony. You can see some of your pictures are here. And this is the new hospital building that you people have inaugurated today. And now is my earnest appeal to all of you who are present here today. Please kindly help us with the construction of the 3rd and 4th floor. The foundation is there, but we want the construction of the 3rd and 4th floor for further hospital services. And on this present ground, we want an installation of a hospital lift for patients, and also for procurement of medical equipment and furniture for the new hospital block that you have just visited, which will approximately cost around 2.5 crores. Please kindly help us out. We are looking forward to your help. So please help us for further upgradation of the hospital services. And with our prayer for the Almighty to shower His choicest blessings and guide us all. Thank you for your precious time.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Now may I request revered Probrajika Otondo Prana Mataji, General Secretary Sri Sharoda Mott and Ramakrishna Sharoda Mission, to kindly deliver the welcome address to our audience. Can we have a big round of applause for today's program as we are concluding here? But IPPL has become a part of Matribhavan family. We would request them to be among us in each and every endeavor of ours. And we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to have been present among us despite of their very busy schedule. Thank you so much. Thank you.